Tired of that prepaid card collecting dust and want to put those funds to better use within Cash App? Alright, let's unlock the power of transferring funds from your prepaid card directly to your Cash App account. First, open your Cash App on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the main screen, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap on the banking tab. It's the one that looks like a little house. Now that you're in the banking section, you'll see an Add Cash option. Tap on that. Enter the amount you wish to transfer from your prepaid card to your Cash App account using the number pad provided. Be aware of any daily or weekly limits that Cash App might have, and also your prepaid card's balance limit. Once you've entered the amount, tap the Add button at the bottom of the screen. You'll now be prompted to select a payment method. Since we're using a prepaid card, you'll need to add it. Tap on the Add Card option. This is where you'll need to carefully enter all the information from your prepaid card, including the card number, expiration date, CVV code, and the billing zip code associated with the card. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy. After you've added your card, it will now be listed as a payment method. Select it. Cash App will now process the transfer. This may take a few moments, but usually it is very quick, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully transferred funds from your prepaid card to your Cash App.